funny really, because I always thought a kibbutz was a sort of orange plantation or something, but this one on the banks of Galilee it's a full demonstration of what it really is, which is a community of people that work and support each other in all aspects of industry. So it's fishing and farming and all sorts of stuff. Tourism, of course, is the main source, and interestingly, they'll live here in the community, and all their wages go to the community, but they then get given their food and lodgings and other support. But also, if they do get jobs off the community, they don't get kicked off, but they are expected to give their wages to the community and then draw back their accommodation and subsistence and stuff. It's a really interesting way of life, and I have to be honest, the staff, the employees, they all seem to be really happy here.